welcome to today's assembly, My School, My Love. Joining us on our assembly session today were your new classmates and their parents too. I would like to welcome them, and I'm really glad that you're a part of a family at CVSL. It's the start of a new academic year which brings with it a lot of hopes, a lot of possibilities, and we bury what happened in the years earlier. You've got to see the school, and believe me, it looks like an empty nest. You got to see your teachers who've been working around the clock to manage their online teaching with you. And you also got to see your new friends. So children, start of the year on the right footing. Make the most of this opportunity, even if it's online. Learn every single day and grow along with your teachers. There will be a lot of challenges, there will be a lot of competitions, there will be engagement with your parents, and when you all are back, I will be really happy to see you and proud that despite all our adversities, you all have grown very, very well. My apologies to all those whose laptops are still in school. It wasn't meant to be that way, but circumstances were different, children. Grade 7s, now going to grade 8. You've got a bigger responsibility to shoulder, and you will support me and your teachers in running the middle school. Take care until we meet again. Bye.